of Wealth Influence in The Great Gatsby by F. Scott Fitzgerald. The Great Gatsby may be the most popular classic in the modern American fiction. The story of Jay Gatsby's desperate quest to win back his first love reverberates with themes at once characteristically American and universally human. Among them, the importance of honesty, the temptation of wealth, and the struggle to escape the past. The novel The Great Gatsby is a tragic love story, a mystery, and a social commentary on American life. The Great Gatsby concerns the wasteful life of four wealthy characters as observed by their acquaintance, narrator Nick Carraway. Nick was from Minnesota, attended an Ivy League university, served in the U.S. Army during World War I, moved to New York after the war, and questioned even while participating in high society. Having left the Midwest to work in the porn business in the summer of 1922, Nick settles in the West Egg, Long Island among the nouveau riche epitomized by his next-door neighbor Jay Gatsby, a mysterious man of 30. Gatsby is the subject endless fascination to the quest at his lavish all-night parties. He is rumored to be a hero of the Great War. Others say he served as a German spy. Gatsby claims to have attended Oxford University, but the evidence is suspect. From the lawn of his sprawling mansion, Gatsby can see the green lights glowing on her tongue, which become a symbol in the novel of an unreachable treasure, the future that year by year recedes before us. A profound engagement of class privilege in the Jazz Age and beyond. The Great Gatsby explores the conflict between desire and self-indulgence. In the novel conclusion, the character collect living human wreckage in the wreck. Many parts of the story tilted towards wealth, within which flown indulgence, hypocrisy, and unmatched abomination. We can observe how one is rejecting his actual self and considering the social orders to lead us his own particular dreams and following the path that the society wants him to follow. By emulating these paths, an individual can be extraordinary, but he refuses to understand that for being uncommon, he is actually surrendering his gratification, joy, and bliss. Second, Mr. Gatsby thought that his wealth could bring the people that he intends to approach instantly. He offered some money or some kind of business to Nick, as he needs his assistance to get him to meet Daisy. Nick also thought that Mr. Gatsby's offering was obviously and tactlessly for a service on the page 89. Well, this would interest you. It wouldn't take up much of your time, and you might pick up a nice bit of money. It happens to be a rather confidential sort of thing on the page 89. It seems like F. Scott Fitzgerald has created a character who grew up toiling for his interest in wealth. He thought that his wealth that came from his hard struggle will ultimately bring happiness and people he wants to connect with easier. This included his old lover Daisy back to him. Third, Daisy was from a wealthy family even before her marriage with Tom Buchanan. Jordan Baker stated that when she was younger, she saw that Daisy family house has the largest of the banners and the largest of the lawns in Louisville, on the page 80. This thing will later also put an influence on Mr. Gatsby's viewpoint of wealth and social level, as he was in love with her.
Fourth, besides of being in love with Mr. Gatsby, Daisy was also amazed by Mr. Gatsby's world. Not just being in love with Mr. Gatsby's huge and stunning house took many of Daisy's attention too. According to the moment when the three of them, Mr. Gatsby, Daisy, and Nick, were about to come to Mr. Gatsby's house, it was shown that Daisy was astonished to see his house. "That huge place there?" she cried, pointing. "Do you like it?" "I love it, but I don't see how you live there all alone." Page 97. Fifth, in the end, his wealth didn't bring him that much of other people's loyalty to him. Despite his generosity and wide connection with people, at the hard time of his death, no one came to visit him except Nick and his own father named Katz. Mayor Wolfsham stated in his letter that he had some crucial business so that he couldn't come down. Page 177 and 178. 6. The influence of wealth has become commonplace as well as beauty privilege where everyone is filled with wealth. Many think that if wealth is the only thing that can change their life, people often go to great lengths to find wealth. For example, Jay Gatsby. That name is not his birth name, but a name that he made himself. Living with a poor father made him run away from home to look for covers of wealth, until one day, he met and fell in love with a wealthy woman named Daisy. Destiny said otherwise. Daisy had married with a more established person than him. With all his efforts, Gatsby enriched himself. After becoming a man who is successful and wealthy, he believed that Daisy would come back to him. However, with his confidence in his wealth, now it becomes a boomerang for him.